I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your money on ineffective shampoos and conditioners for dry, frizzy hair. As someone who has battled with unmanageable hair for years, I know how frustrating it can be. That's why I've put together this list of the top 5 products that truly deliver results.
Product number 1. L'Oréal Paris Elvive Hyaluron Plump Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Using the L'Oréal Paris Elvive Hyaluron Plump Shampoo and Conditioner Set was a game changer for my dry, frizzy hair. The first wash left my hair feeling incredibly soft and manageable, unlike anything I had experienced before. The shampoo has a delightful consistency that glides through my hair effortlessly, cleansing without stripping it of needed moisture. I was particularly impressed with the hyaluronic acid in the formula, which claims to provide intense hydration for up to 72 hours. After rinsing, my hair felt completely transformed. The conditioner is thick and creamy, and it detangles like a dream. I could feel my hair soaking up the moisture as I worked it through the lengths. The scent is also a lovely bonus. It's fresh and fruity, making the experience feel luxurious. After styling, my hair looked bouncy and shiny, and best of all, the frizz was significantly reduced. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the intense moisture really stands out. My hair felt nourished and revived. The paraben-free formula is a significant advantage, appealing to those of us who are conscious about the ingredients we use. However, I did notice that it might weigh down finer hair types if not rinsed thoroughly. So, why should you buy this? If you're struggling with dry, frizzy hair and are looking for a product that genuinely delivers on hydration and shine, this set is worth every penny. It's designed for all hair types, which means it's versatile enough to cater to various needs. L'Oréal has combined skincare technology with hair care, and it shows. This set will give your hair the plumpness and moisture it craves.
Product number 2. Tresemme Rich Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. I recently tried the Tresemme Rich Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner, and I was pleasantly surprised by the results. My hair tends to get dry and frizzy, especially in humid conditions, so I was eager to see if this duo could make a difference. The first time I used it, the shampoo lathered beautifully and left my hair feeling clean but not stripped. The infusion of vitamin E and biotin caught my attention, as these ingredients are known for strengthening hair while providing moisture. After shampooing, I applied the conditioner, and I could feel it working its magic. It detangled my hair effortlessly and provided a smooth finish. The conditioner has a creamy consistency that enveloped my strands without feeling heavy. I let it sit for a few minutes while I pampered myself, and when I rinsed it out, my hair felt incredibly soft. Pros of this product include its affordability and effectiveness. For the price, it's hard to find a better value that delivers on hydration and moisture. However, if I had to point out a downside, it would be that the scent is a bit stronger than I prefer. It has a distinct perfume that lingers, which some might find overwhelming. So, should you buy this duo? If you're looking for an affordable shampoo and conditioner that targets dry hair, Tresemme's Rich Moisture line is a solid choice. It provides great hydration and manageability, making it suitable for everyday use without breaking the bank.
Product number 3. L'Oréal Paris Elvive Dream Lengths Shampoo and Conditioner Kit. When I first tested the L'Oréal Paris Elvive Dream Lengths Shampoo and Conditioner Kit, I was intrigued by its promise to repair damage and protect hair length. As someone who frequently styles my hair, I often encounter split ends and breakage. The creamy texture of both products immediately felt nourishing as I massaged them into my hair. The shampoo cleansed thoroughly without leaving it feeling stripped or dry, while the conditioner worked wonders in detangling. The combination of castor oil and vitamins B3 and B5 in the formula was a standout feature for me. These ingredients are known to promote hair health and shine, which I desperately needed. After using this kit, I noticed my hair looked shinier and healthier. It felt strong and resilient, and I appreciated that it didn't weigh my hair down. In terms of pros, the gentle formula is suitable for all hair types, which makes it accessible for everyone. The scent, which has notes of pomegranate and caramel, is delightful and adds a layer of luxury to the experience. A minor con would be that it might not provide enough moisture for extremely dry hair types, so those with severe dryness may need to supplement with a leave-in conditioner. So why should you consider buying this kit? If you're on a quest for longer, healthier hair, this duo is worth trying. It not only helps in repairing damage, but also provides the nourishment needed to keep hair looking vibrant and beautiful.
Product number 4. Olaplex Wash and Shine Hair Kit. I had high hopes when I tried the Olaplex Wash and Shine Hair Kit. This set is renowned for its ability to hydrate and control frizz, and it did not disappoint. The first wash felt like a spa experience. The shampoo lathered luxuriously and left my hair feeling clean and fresh without any dryness. It's made for all hair types, which is a huge plus, especially for those of us who color or chemically treat our hair. The real hero, however, was the conditioner. It's designed to improve manageability and boost shine, which I could see immediately after rinsing. The difference was noticeable. My hair felt soft, silky, and incredibly smooth. One of the standout features is that it's free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, making it a safe choice for anyone conscious about ingredients. On the plus side, this kit is exceptional for reducing breakage and strengthening hair, making it ideal for those who are trying to maintain length. However, the price point is on the higher side, which might deter some budget-conscious buyers. So, why buy the Olaplex Wash and Shine Hair Kit? If you're serious about hair care and are looking for premium products that deliver real results, this kit is worth the investment. The hydration and shine it provides are unparalleled, making it a favorite among many hair enthusiasts.
Product number 5. Marc Anthony Grow Long Shampoo and Conditioner Set. I recently tried the Marc Anthony Grow Long Shampoo and Conditioner Set, and I was impressed by how well it catered to my dry and damaged hair. Right away, I noticed that the shampoo lathered beautifully and didn't leave my hair feeling stripped. Infused with caffeine, ginseng, and vitamin E, it felt like a revitalizing treatment from the first use. The conditioner was equally effective, providing a rich, creamy texture that detangled my hair effortlessly. As someone who often struggles with breakage, I appreciated the anti-frizz properties of this duo. After using it, my hair felt stronger and looked shinier, which is a huge win. Among the pros, the formula is paraben-free, which is becoming increasingly important to me. The scent is subtle and pleasant, not overpowering. However, if I had to list a con, it would be that while it claims to help with hair growth, it's essential to remember that it won't magically make your hair grow faster. It primarily focuses on strengthening. So, should you consider buying this set? If you're looking for a solution to dry, damaged hair that also promotes strength, Marc Anthony's Grow Long collection is a great option. It's affordable and effective, making it perfect for anyone looking to nourish their hair and keep it in top condition.